All right, so we have us there, Michael Graham, Jamaica College 9, Cedar Grove 0. How are you guys feeling going into this top of the table clash against St. Catherine with a comfortable defeat against Cedar Grove today?
We feel pleased because we've been putting in the work, so we deserve to top the table and everything.
What do you think about your performance today? You look quite comfortable. I know it's not the tough competition that you'd expect, but you look a lot comfortable, composed on the ball and stuff. What do you think about your performance today?
My performance could be better, but just take one step at a time to improve on the technical ability and those stuff.
This big margin of win, would it give you guys a little bit more confidence going to that game against St. Catherine?
Definitely. We'll go for the trophy, definitely. Go for the theorem.
All right. Good game again, Mr. Graham. See you guys for the next game. Eh?
All right, thank you.
All right, bless up.